vlog girl. I just want to say sorry for not vlogging and stuff, but I haven't been vlogging because my iPhone broke and I just got the 6S like 2 days ago, and my cousin took his Mac back. That's what I was editing my vlogs before on, so it's back up and running now because I got my phone and I'm about to save up and get a Mac because it's extremely better to edit on a Mac than it is a phone. There's only so much you can do on a phone. But me and Alot and stuff about to go out to Michigan States. Hey, about to go to a party tonight. My birthday is Sunday, and we got a party tomorrow night. My family party. It's a Jamaican thing. So you know the whole of the yard people my god there, a mad thing. Turn up all the way. And tonight is gonna be fun, man. At Michigan State. Whole bunch of women. This, that. I can't wait. I'm excited. And you know what? Wildlife to the fucking fullest. Hello. Alright guys, I just got out the shower and now it's time to head to Michigan State. You already know. Now I just gotta look for my car keys. I think it's downstairs though. Let's go. You already know, my cousin on the computer over here. Doing it for the vlog. Doing it for the vlog. Who's she talking to? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see that, vlog world? Look at them eyes. Looking like lions and
He's with you on his
Alright. Alright, vlog. Michigan State doing it big tonight. Lansing. Hopefully you don't get stuck.
Y'all going to Michigan State?
Yeah, we going out there. Wildlife. Alright, vlog girl. So you know, about to head out to MSU right now. I just came outside and seen these people right here.
Perfect time.
These random ass strangers and shit.
You just called me a stranger. This party in College Town, but like those are townhouses, and I don't know the exact address, so I'm not gonna go around and look. So that's not happening.
This shit don't look nothing like on TV.
Do I look like I'm 25?
This shit look like a prison in this boy. You see this? All brown doors and stuff like that. Brittany and Madeline. I think they looking through the door at me. I feel like we about to get killed, people. Come on, Lante. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Do you guys see this entrance? It's insane. Do you see this? The big American flag with the small red devil looking door. Oh look, I see people up there dancing in that window. Too hot, god dang. Too dark.
Good. What up, vlog? What up, gangsta?
Alright, vlog girl. So we came out to MSU, right? Got kicked out the first party because we was black. So
hell yeah, some racist ass motherfucker. Fuck them. Fuck them hoes.
And now the cops is here because somebody was shooting at this other party that we went to.
Fuck the police. Fuck the police.
Shut up, dude. You drunk. Everybody been drinking.
I'm so
shut up, bro. It's like another cop car right there.
Dog, you better tell them hoes, come the fuck out, dog.
No, so it's crazy, bro. Point is, I should have stayed in Detroit and not come out to this shithole with a whole bunch of bullshit going on. MSU is it's trash.
Same shit happened in the D, dog. Same shit in the East.
Man, if you don't shut your drunk ass up, man, shut the fuck up.
6 Mile. 6 Mile.
Look at this nigga eyes. Look at his eyes, bro.
Don't get the camera on my face, man.
Drunk ass. But stop playing, bro. It's like 6 cop cars that went that way, bro.
Then the bitches come the fuck on.
And it started raining, bro. And they won't answer the phone. They about to get left.
Pull up to
Wildlife.
Wildlife.
Alright, vlog, bro. We about to leave MSU. Had a horrible time. You gonna hold the camera?
You hold the camera.
Alright, don't hold the camera, guys. Michigan State doing it big. Oh, look at these two hot chicks. Let's see if Alante gonna say something to one of them.
Hell no, I ain't not seen that again, damn man. I ain't drinking. I need some alcohol.
Bro, come say something.
It's alcohol.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Hey. Thank you. Yeah.
You know I'm single, right? I'm a single guy. Which one of y'all single? What's up? None? For real? Just get a laugh. The game was too lame.
They said
The game wasn't lame. A lot of people coming back from the game. Bro, the game started at like 3. It's almost like 6. And, oh, I thought my hat flew off.
the game ain't over.
Now we about to go to 12 Oaks and do it big. And party later, you know, Elegant Affair.
Elegant Affair, be there or not be there, man. Everybody will be there, so.
Yo, Black Girl, I better act crazy, you know.
Popcorn will be there. Bob Marley and them will be there. Elegant Affair, if you're in the Detroit area, be there, man. Elegant Affair.
That better ain't a sense in the Vlog Girl. Later. Wildlife. Alright, so now we in the car, heading back towards the city now. 52 miles to go. We about to stop at 12 Oaks Mall. And then later on, we'll hit up that party. Good day, you know. You know it's about to be Vlog World. But yeah, driving right now.
It's gonna be like they is.
What happened over here? So we just got to the mall, Vlog World, and it's like almost 7 o'clock, and this parking lot is full. Look at this.
It ain't full.
Man, this parking lot is full.
If it was full, you wouldn't be able to get a parking spot.
Dude, it's almost to the brink.
It ain't full.
It is full.
It's enough people here. Full means to capacity. It ain't to capacity. It ain't full.
It's just to capacity.
No, then how you get in the parking spot?
Because
it ain't full then.
Because it's different parking spots on each side.
If it's full means to capacity. It ain't full. It's a lot of cars out here, but it's not full.
All right, Black Girl, it's about that time. You see
So
me?
you're ready for the party.
I'm party ready. You see me? It's my birthday. Big up. Make sure you like this video because it's my birthday, and I love you guys. Alante.
Wildlife.
Wildlife, nothing. Check out my outfit. Hello. Doing it for the vlog. I'm about to brush my teeth. Head out. Wildlife, no. Elegant Affair. Just got to the party. About to go turn up. My cousins them already inside calling me, where you at? I was in the car chilling. You know why? Because this is my birthday. Who that? My mother? It's my mom, guys, right here. Right here. You don't know all the things set up. Yo, say now, give me our money. Watch your food. Watch your food. But my thing, my rule. Eh?
You're blind, you're blind.
Y'all said what? What ass? No ass. Get out of here. Hold on. So what y'all saying now? You said Carrie can get her ass beat?
Yeah.
For what? Why?
For being disrespectful and act like she's broke and don't know what to pay to get into a party.
Lord, Black Girl, who's here tonight? Doing it for the vlog.
For the vlog, man. All by vlog.
Black Girl.
Subscribe, man. I ain't gonna do it. Drink for the vlog. I ain't gonna do it. Drink for the vlog.
They want to see me in the vlog, not y'all.
Were you trying to twerk?
That's a no-no, Black Girl. Alright, Vlog World, the party is over and I'm on my way to work right now. Like, I couldn't even go to sleep, nothing. I went straight in the house, changed into my gear, and now I'm headed straight to work. I'm gonna tell them, like, look, y'all gonna have to make me post up like for 2 hours or something, cause I'm asleep. So I'm gonna go straight in my truck and I'm going straight to sleep. White life. You called for road service?
Yeah.
Okay, sir, I'm about 5 minutes out. Where's the vehicle located? Your house?
No, it's about 3 blocks from our home. The vehicle was located near a church where we had to leave it yesterday. It's on Mason Street in Dearborn, about one block north of Michigan Avenue.
Yeah, Vlog Grill. So I'm at work right now, and I'm a tow truck driver for AAA. Doing it big. But you already know, wildlife to the fullest. I'm about to go hook this car up. Hope you guys have a good day. And I'm out.